So like here we have our LED Tech X3 LED globes. So basically just like a high quality LED globe that'll be a direct replacement for your older like halogen ones. A couple of key reasons why you upgrade them. Most like new cars now actually use like LEDs, and you'll like notice when you jump in like a new car, it's quite bright compared to like an old one. If you jump in them between each other, you even think like your light's almost off. So that's a one. You get like a much cleaner, brighter view area. Two, they do look better because obviously these are like an ice white color, so they look more like modern than the traditional like like halogen like yellow sort of glow. And are perfect for people who do a bit of full driving or drive in the country. Like as soon as you have these in, huge difference. You get like a longer beam throw, much sort of brighter. So that's basically it. So these are good quality like units. They use a Cree like LED chip, dual ball bearing cooling fan. Obviously like a heat shrink here. That's all quality material. These are going to sort of last like a long time, 30 to 40,000 hours. So that's a lot of driving. We got a CAN bus driver on here. So majority of cars might not need this, but if your car has like a CAN bus involved in like the lights, for example Ford Rangers and stuff do. So what happens if you just put these in is they draw like a lower amount of power, so you'd get like error light coming up. So this here basically like stopped any of that happening, and you just got your direct plug that's going to plug into your car factory plug there. Yeah, perfect reason to upgrade. These are going to match your factory beam like a pattern. They're going to be like much brighter and with like a longer throw, but also by like matching the factory beam pattern, you are not going to be blinding anyone because your lights are going to still be pointing where they should be, reflect the correct way. Now as far as installing these go, obviously like super easy to install. Each car is going to be a little bit like different. This is a 200 series like Land Cruiser, but you're basically going to have other plugs behind your globes here. Depending on your car and like sometimes a badge, you could have just like a single globe for high and like low beam, or you could have a globe for high beam and like a globe for low beam, which this car has. Now on our website we cover that, so just buy the one that you need for your car. So that's fairly straightforward. So if you can see down here, so if you come in here you can see that globe just there. That's the one I'm going to do first. So if you come in, all you want to do is give it a twist and then pull it up backwards, and there's your halogen old globe there. Then we're obviously going to take like the plug out, just as a push down clip there. Pretty straightforward. So there's the old one taken out, the old halogen one. Fairly straightforward to unplug it. Just press down that lever on the back there and pull backwards. Now the plug's going to tell you like the one you like sort of need here. So you can see that those are quite like wide. Now if we have a look at the factory one here, that's the same. You'll notice when we pull out the other one that the plugs here are closer together. The pins, sorry, I should say. So all I've done is plug so L into here, onto here. Now if you get these the wrong way, so round, like nothing's going to like happen. Just sort of flip the plug around the other way. So we're going to power it on now, and we'll just see if we get anything like happening. Otherwise we'll have to flip it around. So you can see here nothing's happening. The lights are actually on. You can see high and low beam are on here. So that's fine. We'll pull it off and flip it around straight away. All good. Just obviously make sure that tab clips over our clip here so it doesn't come undone. So there we go, it's all back in. So all you have to do is obviously let's match up the lugs, push and turn it to go in. Now here's the factory one, so you can see there's two bigger ones on either side. Now what that and you can see ours look the same, so you've got a smaller one on top and two bigger ones either side. So only going to like push in the way that it pushes in. So you can see obviously it goes like that, and if you compare that to the older halogen, the beam throws the same, throws out the beam sideways, and it goes on the reflective panel and not the lights. So all you do is I'll push it in, fine with these, fit, push and twist. You'll notice it will only fit when these are in the right spot, so you might have to pull it out and twist it all the way around to get it to go in. Or when you pull out the old one, you can just keep sort of note of like what direction the small lug was in, if it was like up or whatnot. It's all in now. The only thing you do obviously have is you have these, not needed in this car, but they are included in like every one. It's up to you what you do here, but so normally we just like zip tie these onto a cable coming out here, so they're just not obviously banging around and floating around. So you can see there's our white like LED. We'll put this on like a high beam on the inside, and here's our obviously yellow like low beam. Come across to the other side here. and you can see obviously that's what the old one might look like, and that's like the low beam. So there you go, a cool white, like a modern look, and there's your traditional yellow glow. Low beam, so same process, give it a turn and a pull out. You can see there it is there. Then we're going to pull the old plug off, so push that clip down and pull it out. So here it is there, we're just going to push that down and let's pull the top off. I should have mentioned too, these are super hot. Probably do it when your light's been off for like a while, or if you are testing, just turn them on and off quickly. Don't touch them when they've been on, or even don't touch, you're not supposed to touch this glass in here at all. And the LEDs are the same, they get hot, so don't go touching the light part of it. Grab a low beam, you can see these are close together. Look at this, close together. They're only going to fit where they fit, so can't go too wrong. Again, we're going to put it in, power it up, and then we're going to put it back in. All good, that are powered up. So again, come down into here. You can actually see the outline of the big and the small part on this one. So big goes up into there. Like that, push it down, push it in, and twist. Give it a good push in as you twist it. So obviously those lugs have to sit in there. So you can see that's the low beam in there. Nice cool glow. You can see the angle of it is actually about the same as the old one, so the light's going either side. By that I mean the old one was in like this, and you'll see our new LED is in that same way. So it's pretty much impossible to get that with these deteriorated lights.